Good morning viewers. Ajila news update to enega ase latest update ase to Nagaland DC Dimapur notify fee structure and guidelines for ILP to inner lane permit lai to fee structure han ki ase aro rate system han ki ase to apten ge screen te saw pare ase pihan ekta table ase aro tate pihan bhal pura saw pare ase category tourist domestic validity 30 days karne fresh to 200 rupees ase aro itu to per year quarter enega renew kori thaibo lage next to ile tourist foreigner 30 days la ase aro 300 ase fresh aro ki document lage kole valid passport visa no local guarantor enga lage last next to le trader ase 90 days karne 300 rupees lage aro 150 to itu renewal price ase followed by labor khan mystery kam kora khan noli mason worker khan tahan karne 90 days la ase validity aro fresh banabo kole 150 rupees lage aro ituke hoda renew kori thakile hoda year or quarter renew koribo kole 100 rupees ase to enega technical person khan like consultant khan olibi technician khan idu 2 sal karne validity thakile fresh to ole paisa 1500 pura idu fresh khulibo aro idu renew korilo 500 rupiah ini 500 rupees lagibo idu bishore priest khan pastor khan olibi priest churches la manu khan olibi dukan 3 years karne validity thagile 1500 fresh ase aro 500 renewal price ase ar ki document lage she gole to apian site te saw paribo required document required moi all read koribo document khan to aadhar card lagibo certificate from the business khan ole to business establishment certificate lagibo aro churches la ar dukan la kagos khan ki lagibo teacher khan karne 30 days noli be more than 2 years just say 3 years korlebi itu fresh to 1500 ase a renewal price to 500 ase to aadhar card like ID card from the school college institution concerned and no local guarantor itu ekta lagibo no local guarantor itu local khan guarantee na dibo karne ekta kagos ekta lagibo no local guarantor or student khan karne up to 5 year or course duration whichever is earlier to student karne 300 rupees ase or student karne to renewal la to blank ase itu to further update moi apnalke janai dibo itu aadhar card like ID card from the school college institution and casting the course and the years of study itu be no local guarantor or next to partner in business 3 year applicable for one time renewal or for 3 years itu 5000 lagibo fresh banabo gole aro businessman khan karne itu partnership business thaka khan karne renew kuribo gole to 3000 lagibo documents to ki ase gole aadhar card registered company business itu hon lagibo तो viewers itu imani ase update to aro apnikan bhal pura screen te apnikan saw pare ase screen te apnikan zoom korne bi sabi aro ki update khan hudibo mon thakile doubt khan hudibo mon thakile apnikan comment section te janai debi koina request kore ase especially tourist domestic tourist forest foreigner khan trader laborer technical person priest khan teachers khan student khan itu khani category ase aro partnership type of business khan itu khani category te ase thank you so much